Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a custom ringtone on your Android device. Using a custom ringtone is a great way to personalize your phone and make it easier to recognize incoming calls. You can use a music file, a downloaded ringtone, or any compatible audio file stored on your device. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration, Sound Settings, or a similar option, depending on your device. Next, tap Phone Ringtone or Ringtone. You'll see a list of available ringtones. To use your own audio file, tap the Add, Plus, or choose Local Ringtone option if available. Browse your device storage and select the audio file you want to use as your ringtone. After selecting the file, tap Save or Done to apply the changes. To make sure everything is working correctly, you can preview the ringtone before confirming your selection. Once saved, your phone will use the custom ringtone for incoming calls. And that's it, you've successfully set a custom ringtone on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.